I first saw the product in person and found out that they're rolling out, all their residential products. Right off the bat, what I noticed about the Anker Solix X1 product is the time saving. You only need one electrician to install and mount these versus two with a lot of the other products. The space in which it takes up inside the garage, the sleekness, the simplicity, and the overall commissioning times. Those 5 key points really hit a home run for me and my perspective. So the battery module's weight is 110 pounds. The power module itself is 44 pounds. All in all, we installed 30 kilowatt hour system, which was 2 parallel stacks in right about 15 minutes. But so far, this product very streamlined, and commissioning is right about 30 minutes, which is the quickest I've seen for any energy storage solution in the industry. So if I ever wanted to add future storage to my ESS, extremely easy. I have a parallel system, 30 kilowatt hours. Each stack can hold 30 kilowatt hours. I have 15 on each side. So if I wanted to come back and say, hey, I need 5 kilowatt hours, that's just one block that I'd be able to put on there, and it would take, minutes just to get that back up and rolling. So on the commissioning process, I got the benefit to see both the installer toolkit app as well as the homeowner version. Both very impressive just based on the time that it takes on the installation part. So the Anker Solix installer website gives the ability for the installer to remotely make any necessary maintenance troubleshooting remotely at any given time.